Many congratulations to all Pakistani. We have seen a very big fight, and Pakistan have been defeated to India. India, shame on you. Have a look at the professionalism of Pak Army, our armed forces, Air Force, Navy. Have a look at that. Pakistan is a very small country than India. You can say that not more than 10 times, if I should say, I must say that if Pakistan would be 7 times, then will be India one. Have a look at the professionalism of our jet fighters, our pilots. Whatever they have been doing as according to their wish, they have been diving in the air and throwing the bomb on your places, sensitive places, and have a look at the victory of Pakistan. Pakistan have been offering you several of time that make a combined investigation unit on which you are blaming to Pakistan, Pahalgam attack, but you didn't accept that. Finally, the language which we have been chosen against you, you understand. And after that, when you have seen that a very big loss in the shape of Rafale, in the shape of weapons depot, which destroyed by Pakistani armed forces, you requested to India, so please ask Pakistan to stop it. Several of time, Pakistani armed forces have been said to you that we are not involved in any kind of terrorism, but again and again you blaming to Pakistan. Keep in mind, whenever you will see with the bad eyes to Pakistan, Pakistan will react same like as it is we have done with you. If I talk about the citizen of India, I mean both countries, the masses, they love each others. But we hate you. We hate your politics. We hate your armed forces. You have been throwing a large number of missiles on residence area in Pakistan. That was the last warning. And as DGISPR said in his press conference, that when Pakistan will attack, whole the world will see. And when Pakistan attacked, all media have been covered. So don't do it again. It's last warning to you. Goodbye.